This is Shobana Kamakar, a freelance commercial photographer based out of Mumbai, India, and you are watching my channel Shobana Kamakar, where I talk about freelancing, photography, and a lot more other things connected to me, connected to freelancing, connected to photography. Today, I'm going to talk about the very fact that I didn't go to a photography college. A lot of people keep on asking me if I went to a photography college, did I learn photography from somewhere? Did I learn in some academy or institution, or did I diploma in it? To be very honest, a very straightforward answer, I'm a very self-taught photographer. Yes, and eventually I even taught myself how to do product styling and how to create cinemagraphs. My journey starts from the very school where I took biomaths in my +2 level. My teachers were really supportive with the aspect that I was not interested in the subject, yet they helped me to pass. Thank you so much, teachers. Indeed, a pleasure knowing you, indeed being a student of yours. And eventually I landed up in MIT Pune Design, where I did a foundation. Somehow I was not exactly liking, or I was not exactly ready to be anything to be a part of the design industry, because I just felt I don't have the potential to be one, and I dropped out. And I eventually joined Vishwabharati University Shantiniketan, and I did my BFA, Bachelor of Fine Arts, in art history along with printmaking and textile designing. Now today I'm going to talk about 5 things why I didn't go to the college, or you can even interpret it if you want to go to a college, if you don't want to go to a college, and how to go about it. The very first thing, I didn't go to a college, was the colleges available in India were really expensive. Something which gave a degree in it was an ID, and I was not able to clear an ID, and the rest were really expensive, giving diplomas, not a proper graduation, and there was no guarantee for any job. Freelancing was never ever in my mind. It was never a part of my plan in my life. I just wanted to do a job, earn a certain amount of money, get married, have kids. But freelancing just changed my life altogether, and I'm happy to be wherever I am right now. So the very first reason I didn't go to a college, it was really expensive. Didn't give any guarantee for a job security. It was very vague. The institutions and the academies are available in India are, they themselves don't give any guarantee, because there is no guarantee that you will get. Freelancing has no guarantee. It's a very up and down situation. It's a lifestyle choice. It's not exactly an option sometimes. So for me, it was not an option. Second thing, why didn't I go to the college? I am a person who is little cuckoo. In a sense, I am very indecisive. I am very jumpy. I'm like a monkey who just jumps from one place to the other with nothing in mind. So joining BFA, I was like, I don't know if I want to be a painter. I wanted to be a painter, hence I joined BFA. But I fought with my father to grab me a camera, and I got a Canon 1000D. It's an absolute. Why I say absolute? It's an obsolete model from the camera, from the company standards itself. But it's a fantastic camera when I got it. So the expect what's to happen in 2009, I started a program called 365 Self Portrait, where I started clicking myself every single day, me being the model, being the photographer, me being everything for my own setups, and I created different kind of pictures, different moods, different. I collaborated with kids, I collaborated with myself, I collaborated with the nature around me, and eventually I taught myself. And that's the third point. I didn't go to the college. The third most reason is I realized that the kind of requirement, or the kind of graduation, the kind of qualification I need to be a photographer has nothing to do with college, other than it's a very self-taught factor. I came across this website called LinkedIn. I got my very first credit card from my father, and thank you, Dad. And I subscribed to LinkedIn. I learned photography, a lot of photography basics. I learned how to go about Photoshop. I learned about how to go about Lightroom. So there was this self-taught phase which was going on. The very fourth thing I didn't go to the photography college is I had that jill, I had that power, I have that absorbing power to do things by myself, teach myself, and eventually grow. Somehow I had that talent. I was not aware, but a lot of people around me started commenting over my pictures, started connecting me and saying, dude, you have the talent, you have the talent, you have that capability, and the factors which one needs in itself to be a photographer. And the very fourth reason, it's like destiny, It's very personal, it's very subjective to say destiny. I just felt doing whatever I wanted to do. My parents have been immensely supportive. Thank you, Dad and Mom. You have been dramatically supportive, over dramatically supportive, and I just followed my instincts. I just followed what I felt like. I just followed that this is something which I should do, and this is something which I should prolong, and this is something I should hang on. And I ended up being in Bombay in 2013. In 2014, I started my own company under the banner name of Shobhona Karmakar, and things just started. The journey just started all over again, which in terms of meeting new people helped me to be better at photography, also as a freelancer, also as a professional, and the journey is still going on. So that's pretty much why I didn't go to the college. Why going to college is important or is not important. Well, if it's important or not important is something which you have to decide, and it depends upon you. Whether if you have money, if you think you need some kind of guidance from someone, then institution is your calling. But if you think you can teach yourself along the way, then you're good enough. That's pretty much for today. Thank you so much for hearing me out, and I'll see you soon. And I hope you got something about me. I'm not crazy, but I'm really crazy about creating images. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.